Hello there, my name is Red Downing. I'm a master's student in mass communication with a strong research focus in communication studies and interpersonal relationships. I just got done with a run just a few seconds ago, man, and I am more fired up than a thoroughbred on race day. So I'm going to make this as fast as humanly possible. We're going to go over my protein shake. I'm going to show you what's in it, how to make it, because I'm hungrier than a beaver with no buck teeth, man. We're going to make it fast. This protein shake, if you ever make it, tastes like dessert. Dessert. Okay, that's why I eat it. That's why I drink it every night. You're never going to go back. It's called the New Kids on the Block. Kids with a Z. Let's make it, baby. Let's blaze through this. First on the list, we got oat milk. Now, any other dairy milk, 2%, 1% whole, whatever else you can think of. It's going to taste a little bit sweeter because all that fat content. And that's okay, man. I just now switched to oat milk. If you want a little bit sweeter, get dairy milk. Oats. Oh my goodness. We love oats around here. Peanut butter. Honey. Blueberries. Bananas. Obviously, if you want to go fresh, you bet your bottom dollar it's going to taste better. I do this for longevity. And last, but surely not least, my brothers and sisters, we've got protein. Good stuff. Chocolate. It's what I roll with this protein shake. You can also do strawberry, but I've learned not too many people like strawberry. But doggone it, if I could speak, you ought to try it out. It's good stuff. If I had a free hand, I'd be doing chef's kisses right now. Serve into a cup of your choosing, and salute. Makes me want to go boxing, baby. Y'all are missing out. Now, a little bit thicker than what people are used to when they hear smoothie. So just understand that. Understand that most blenders aren't going to be able to mush up those oats to a fine detail. You know what I'm talking about? So just remember, I'm going to be a little bit thicker. See? I kind of like to chew even though it's liquid. How weird is that? But hey, I'm a weird guy. That's all I have for you. I'm going to see you on the next video because it's going to be a good one. Like I said, salute. Now get the hell out of here and go make this doggone good smoothie, baby.